Here, say stuff so I see if it's working.
Like what?
I think we're live.
Live on what? Alright.
On the YouTube TV. Oh, we're installing the window and the just slave labor and crawdad. Terrible. Oh yeah, this thing.
Oh, it is.
It's my tripod mount. There, it'll be awesome, you guys. Right, you guys?
Hey, what?
Oh, I was talking to YouTube.
Oh. Alright. Carry on.
We get a chance to showcase the new shirt here too.
Oh, you're wearing it?
Yep.
Nice. Right through the substructure.
Right through it, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm starving to death. Oh, shit. What are we gonna do?
Missed a piece.
Oh no. Oh. I wonder if I could just send that right out the air scroll just like that. So we gotta make we're making all types of keychains. And then look at them all. Look at all of them that I did. But it gets really smoky in here big time, so we need to vent this outside. Plus we're gonna put a window in, it's gonna be so much more better.
Why are you aiming it over here?
Oh, I'm getting the shot.
Shot of what?
Crawdad.
No crawdads.
A little bit. Just confirm there a little. So what are we doing? Plumbing? What do we got here? What is this? ABS? ABS. Nice. Oh, shit.
Channel locks. You want me to get my hacksaw out to cut that plastic pipe?
Oh, nice. Right into the f***ing core of it.
Right into the copper.
Yeah, right into the coils.
There's one at the top too that you missed.
That one's in the coil for sure.
Gotta be stuck on something on the outside.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's this top fucking lip. I need a star screwdriver. Do we got one up here? Right here.
Let it cartwheel down onto the ground.
What happened?
He said, I think that's what I gotta do. I said, what? Let it cartwheel down onto the ground?
Yeah.
You just got that fucking back lip off.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good idea. Get the angle grinder out and cut that edge off.
More yet?
You're good. Is it angling down so it'll drain?
Could use a little bit more. Oh, that's probably pretty good. I don't know what
Yeah.
you got. Let me see. You got 6 3/4 at the top, 6 1/4 at the bottom. So she's tipping down.
There's probably more space up here.
That's providing these 2x4s are fairly close. Do what?
Custom. Should we cut the f***ing window out or what? Are we gonna? Yeah, we'll wait.
Oh, I just got my 6-foot ladder out right there, and I can just, I'm on the second to the top step, and
Scared?
well, but there's no way you're gonna reach that.
We got a bigger ladder. Huh?
I don't care. Yeah, I'm easy.
Where's the tape measure?
There's one here and one right down there.
basically, it's 71 and 3/8, but could
say a quarter and fill her full of caulk and
fill it full of poop. But we want to go over the edges, right? On the start on the bottom, go over the edges. So we just cut the corners out. So
cut your corners out.
So if it was like 2 inches longer on each side, right, and just cut the corners out, fucking, because that piece is going to go over top of the bottom sheet metal.
Good. Forward. The edge.
Back a bit.
Back of it.
There you go. Somewhere close to that.
Grace, it's not too bad. Oh, it's got shit on it too.
That looks like hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
Yeah. Oh, that one doesn't have a tail on it. Where's the... There we are. Yep. Oh, son of a bitch. You didn't change the blade.
I just turned it around.
Oh. I thought you were still going to use that gnarly one.
Fuck enough out of here. You could have brought a knife.
Oh, it's in the back of the truck.
Why didn't you get it? Closer than the one in the shop. Some of the window mirrors.
Oh, somebody didn't get all the tape off it. That's a good idea.
Right? I wish I thought of that. Not just a little piece on the seam. 4 fucking wraps.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. How much you measuring?
Push that fucking lip in all the way like that.
Put it lip all the way?
Careful. Not carried away. There we go.
Like that, like that.
Used to be a fucking pretty low fucking 9-0, right? Pretty low like that. Are we window trimatologists or what?
But eaves trim or eaves drop.
Except for now we got the gray side.
Does
That's okay.
that go like that?
That just goes into that little fucking what's it?
Hey, turn it up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fuck, I probably should have made
Should have what?
What?
Should have what?
Made the bottom one bigger because it's got a fucking, go over top of the fucking siding. So make the next one 4 inch. Watch your fingers.
Safety second. Couple of hinges on there and a 3/4 inch piece of plywood. Have it so that the legs swing out and then drop down. Then have it so that the legs fold up and you can drop the table against the wall when you're not using it. Do I want to do it?
Yeah, we're gonna finish the window and then I gotta do undercoatings. You mount this to the wall. What?
Oh,
It's an investment.
I guess. You're losing it. Let her go?
Yep. There's no.
Want that?
What is it?
I don't know, eat it. Put the level on the bottom and see if this is level and give it one of them. I don't know. Need some duct tape.
No.
Oh yeah.
For what?
Oh, to put that on there. Duct tape.
Oh, yeah, better tape.
Duct tape around.
Look at this. I need a
Curtain.
a blow. Oh, we didn't wipe the window off.
Take it out.
Get the screws out. We'll have to bring a chamois, a ShamWow. Drapes, that's what I need. I need a drapery. You know?
Curtains.
Yeah, no drapes. Did you make a mess? Oh. Look at that one. Smell it. All right, let's go see your work. Let's go see how good work you did. You know what I mean?
Like it's all noticeable. Still gotta pick up those leaves
Couple leaves, probably.
and I don't know what you're doing. Old bicycle tires, some hockey sticks.
Oh, those are my good goalie sticks. Yeah, they're for making good saves and shit. Yeah, look at all the weeds that are gone missing, eh?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do next?
Whatever you-
What spot were you gonna do next?
I already did this around here.
Nice. Oh,
Pick
look.
up do the rest tomorrow. I don't know what time it is.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like 4 o'clock or something, maybe. Yeah, 4 o'clock. Yeah, maybe we start down here tomorrow or something. If you're around there. Eh?
Oh, the fence line there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this. See how it is.
Yeah, try it out. Tell me if you got stereo sound now, boys. I got twin mics. We should mic up crawdad.
Oh, you got earmuffs on.
Yeah. Got ambiguous sounds.
Yeah, you're getting the stereophonic experience.
Yeah.
Got it. You got it? Sure.
Makes a good tripod now.
That shit's good, bro.
Is it good?
Good stuff.
You like that?
Yeah. Ooh.
It's poop? Nice. We should call him like Matthew or, you know, something like
What?
that.
No, nephew.
No, Matthew. This guy, Matthew.
Oh, Matthew.
Yeah.
Not Matthew?
No,
Matthew?
yeah. Meet Matthew, eh?
Center of a poppy.
Oh no. What happened?
Oh, ladder back. Up and down the ladder, standing in one spot, working, twisting, bending. Old man back. Ladder back. Not good.
So what, are you taking tomorrow off or?
Well, we're done.
Done?
Yeah. Siding's up.
Fuck, I got 4 more windows.
One more windows.
Yeah.
You're talking about.
Put a couple on this side, a couple on this side. Be awesome. Look at the studio, boys. Eh? Got my friggin' keychains, my friggin' laser engraver. Got my merch. Got all my blanks. This is awesome. Look at the window. Look at this too. Friggin' good stuff. Right over there. Full blown view. We got a new balcony over there. We can just friggin' saunt. Big time stuff. Back of the trailer even. See if that friggin' new guy's friggin' tweaking on different things. But yeah, this is, I like this. Big time. I might even, now that I'm thinking about it, I might have to put a real link on this side of the friggin' garage. We'll just drill a hole right through the friggin' roof over there and name the real link down that-wards. Then we'll be able to get a decent shot of over there. That'll be friggin' awesome. Did I already tell you about reallink.com? Inward's place was working on crawdad's truck a little bit a couple months ago, and just, you know, parts are lost and things are happening and other stuff's going on and different things, but finally found a cab that's should work, should be able to get what we need off it, and then that'll be awesome. So we'll go and grab that quick. I gotta go get a friggin' snowman or something too, so you'll have to remind me of that because I already forgot. But yeah, we'll go do that. Get this truck cab and friggin' snowman, and it'll be awesome. We'll have another hunk of shit to put in the yard. What happened?